Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're diving into the world of naturalism, the theatre movement that brought real life to the stage, warts and all. Naturalism emerged in the late 19th century as an extreme version of realism. Where realism tried to be believable, naturalism wanted to be life itself. Characters didn't speak in poetry, they mumbled, faltered, and talked over each other. Plots weren't neat, just a slice of real life, often ending without resolution. Naturalism was influenced by science, especially the ideas of Charles Darwin and Emile Zola. It said, people are shaped by hereditary and environment. In other words, we behave the way we do because of our upbringing, class, and biology, not free will. So characters in naturalistic plays don't always change or learn a lesson. They just are, the way real people are. Naturalistic plays featured realistic sets with working doors, real furniture, even meals cooking on stage, and ordinary settings like kitchens, tenements, and back rooms. Also characters you might walk past on the street, workers, maids, drunks, the unemployed. It was the opposite of theatrical. It was almost like eavesdropping. Playwrights like Henrik Ibsen, August Strindberg, and Emile Zola pioneered naturalism in writing. Meanwhile, Konstantin Stanislavski developed a method of acting to match, focused on truth, emotion, and subtext. His work at the Moscow Art Theatre made naturalism a force that changed theatre forever. Naturalism didn't just show stories, it held a mirror to society and said, look, this is us. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.